just brief. We are just coming to educate ourselves. So what you say? Yes, you are there, Kakrebi. Big up to Obibiara Oshayen. We are just here to educate ourselves on certain things. So what you say? Sometimes, SM fans, any other counterparts, Asian argument, that means you only information. It's I said 2021. We are never joking. So what you say? We just doing a lot to educate ourselves, the fans, and the world. So Ghana no one accept Charlie SM to the world. Big up to Charles Nyama Mesa, aka Shatawale. And big up to the management, big up to social media team, big up to every SM elite, we say for life. Big up to yourself watching, wherever you are, all the SM fans, the divas, the soldiers, I say for life. We still here trying to educate ourselves. Now, and then the share record be a Shatawale asset. Here is a dancehall artist from Africa. Able to me penetrate the Caribbean, Jamaica. But Shatawale, aka Sharawari, it me a lot of things with the Jamaican record labels. Aside that, only certain producers and collaborations be also for the past years. Now, this year we say we are not leaving any stone unturned in the camp of Shatta movement. I know 80 and also for the host, the only host, the Sir Rich, the only Sir in Shatta movement. It's not to say now it's about some of these discussions. And I guess some of these record labels, the tracks, the readings, the producers, the collaborations are Shatawale Ayen. And we are breaking it into three. Now and then you have part one. Now Utiemia, share video na enkofa. Now Montaga Gimunia no na share na obianye bi you share the list this one. We can talk about Damage Music. We can talk about people like Silverbird Records. We can talk about a lot of them. Now, just share from the rundown. When I strictly collaborations, strictly labels, and producers are Shatawale Nyomaye Juma of Jamaica and the Caribbean. We starting from Damage Music. Now, say Damage Music. The first on the list, Kasa Shatawale on the Death Warrant Rhythm. Shatawale on the Death Warrant Rhythm. And we say Real Badman and only Enyuma Shatawale Edira Jamaica na record label no Damage Music. On it Damage Music a lot of tracks. Na after so the rhythm no and I say the Death Warrant Rhythm. After Real Badman Shatawale also more tracks with Damage Music. So what I said, Damage Music. Now another track is what Mama Stories from Shatawale and also from Damage Music. Now the first one a Real Badman. That same rhythm no. The people say Tommy Lee Sparta Yusui and after so other ones people say Master Yusui. Nina advantage element Shatawale using rhythm. If you Caribbean, Omakasa and a producer, a face of Kudam, Etmi, Ehuku, and Yomnoso for life. Then we can look at the Mama Story, and also with the Mama Story, no, we can confidently say, Safe House Rhythm, and a Shatawale, AUC, Mama Story, Safe House Rhythm, and a Shatawale UC. Then from there, Man Like Me, another rhythm from Shatta, another track from Shatawale, also from Damage Music. Man Like Me. Now Man Like Me, no, and a Holocaust rhythm. A very beautiful tracker. Oko YouTube for searching Man Like Me from Shatawale. A big now over me 88. After so no, younger and no bakwa. If you Damage Music, I mean, I am a dapper with Shatawale. And you man, Rebecca said, Heavy Load. So what I said, can somebody hear me now? I'm feeling all alone. Very powerful rhythm. Heavy load. It's me leading a lot of charts at the Caribbean level and so ranker.com. Heavy Load is still doing wonderful out there, right from the Caribbean across Africa and to the world. Look at US Busu at the chart, top 100 tracks dancehall tunes making wave. Another track if we damage music. So we can never talk about damage music without talking about Miami Heights. Miami Heights, another song if we Shatta Wale damage music from Caribbean, that's a Jamaican country, and Miami Heights, and also official people say Demako, and I feel so no, people say Tommy Lee, any others, and so it's me ever, and you see, a very important Miami Heights, Meso, Ayanuma, Mife, Endi, Agro. So from the camp of damage music, we can confidently say, Shatta Wale, Recordo, and you meet to say, dance baby, now dance baby, no, and no, savage life rhythm, and also if you damage music camp, Omo, and I produce, and Yomono, now, and Yomono, so, and Yoma, a catchy year, now, people say, Tommy Lee, Jarvis, in a second, so you same rhythm. We a record at Shatta Wale from the camp of damage music in Jamaica. With me, Ayusu, and the Akoneni. Now we can confidently talk about one particular song and also fans will be not any Jemaya. Relisting also from Shatta Wale, produced by Damage Music and Redima Omuyusu Billionaire Shake Rhythm, and also a very beautiful rhythm. As I'm speaking to you, a lot of gurus are trying to jump onto that rhythm. Way any and if you damage camper, Shatta Wale etimi aye I believe say as an SM fan here, we need to learn, we need to always educate ourselves to understand some of the things Wale etimi aye. After from damage music, we are headed straight to Silverbird Record. Silverbird Record no, utimi was a Shatta Wale one track with Silverbird Record na inner dance hall, inner dance hall, Shatta Wale with Silverbird Record. Now I'm rhythm now usually a rave rhythm. Now rave rhythm mean nipepi ekukudam etmi ajampi onto this rhythm. Somebody like Vibe Cartel, Ayusu, rave rhythm. No more than Shatta Wale, record Shatta Wale. Now a very beautiful track. Now apart from Vibe Cartel, nipepi say Kaladu, and Tommy Lee Sparta, and Egyptian, Omunina Ayusu same rhythm. Charlie, this is telling you that Shatta Wale is big when it comes to Jamaica, the Caribbean market. He's there as a Ghanaian dancehall king, African dancehall king, and are all competing with the country that produces the dancehall stars. So as I said, it tells you that Shatta Wale is making it big out there for life. Pick up to yourself. After I want to talk about Automatic of Hampton Music Group. Also another music group producers etimi Ebwama Shatta Wale and Yumbi Eba Alna and you Vibration. You can look for that track online, Vibration. And one-way rhythm. Now one-way rhythm now on the Shatta Wale is very big and huge when you go to Jamaica. Now you big artists are almost Jamaica Charlie to the world. People respect them and regard them so much. Almost so etimi Ayusu same rhythm. Nipe to say Vibe Cartel Ayusu, Conscion Ayusu, Chronic Law Ayusu, Sandstorm Ayusu, and also the baby say Christopher Martin into Ayusu same rhythm. Big artists. Charlie, when it comes to these people being on rhythm, I'm making very big out there to the international market. Not Shatta Wale so, and then Shatta the offer rhythm now on the year anymore. He was asked to do something because they feel say Shatta is good and Shatta is very big and very talented and very good at the music, especially the dancehall thing or all around. But when it comes to dancehall, Jamaicans don't play with Shatta Wale. Well, and some of them, I also want to put the last one for today because we'll be discussing them one in groups, and this is the first part we are talking about this morning. We say for life. The next one is DJ Park Record, and so any Shatta Wale record 2 tracks I think it's also doing well, and some of them ever since this tracks into the system they enjoy it. Only DJ Park Record record Shatta Wale on Enyuma a comfortable lead. So I can say comfortable lead, rhythm. A free DJ Park Record straight away from Jamaica. Big up to yourself, baby. I owe him. Now, the last one, I'm record Shatta Wale and say ice cream shop. Another song that you can look it out there from the social media, YouTube and others, and you can tell it. These are some of the record labels. And then through your help, we have been able to look at 4 records. And there are more records I will be talking about. But and then we just want to limit ourselves to a set. And we've spoken about Damage Record. And maybe Shatta Wale in Damage Record up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 tracks. So and then they say Damage music. Our Caribbean, Jamaica, one of the biggest music groups you can ever get opportunity to work with. And they've recorded about 10 tracks with Shatta Wale, with rhythms that are also having big gurus on them. Some people like Movado and others, Vibe Cartel, and you should same rhythm. Only Shatta Atuso. It's when a success contributing to the success of Shatta Wale. I think as an SM fan, I think as a Ghanaian, I think as an African, you will be proud. Our very own Shatta Wale, aka Charles Nyama Mensah, official name, aka Pa, aka for life. Etimi Abaso Ansana, Silverbird record, and also Automatic Captain Music Group, and so and a DJ Pat, and so Etimi and Shatta Aye. You know, because and the best hand will say. Now don't forget the SMTV 2021. We are in for good. So what you say? Though there are ups and downs, but for Shatta Wale music camp here, working for Shatta Wale, working for SM fans. Yes, big up to yourself. Yes, there are more things that are coming. Don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube page, now Facebook, other social media handles, not following me a notification button. So send a dropping video and a live, you can also be with us. Yes, SM Shatta movement is for life. Big up to Shatta Wale, aka One Don, One Man, One Stand. Big up to Flex. Big up to all the guys. More support to your speaker team. Could you mention and then I say for you, say big up to yourself. Gina, Bequist, Munna, the guys now more SM Elite. I say big up to yourself. Tadi fan base, all the fan bases, Dansuma and the rest, is Suhum fan base, Eastern fan base, Luboni, I say for you Volta last week. Shatta, weekends, Shatta, Eba, was so horrible. So what I say. Now you see, money,